The excitement around DJI's next big release just reached a whole new level. And this time, it's not just another rumor floating around the internet. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has finally stepped into the spotlight, and the evidence couldn't be more convincing. A real unmistakable photo of its retail box has surfaced. Not a blurry render or speculative mock-up, but the kind of photo that says, "We're ready." When DJI packaging leaks, it usually means one thing. The launch countdown has already begun. The clean, finalized branding, the creator combo label, and the overall retail presentation all confirm that this isn't a prototype. Accessories, pricing, and product tiers are locked in. DJI doesn't print boxes unless they're in the final stages of the launch pipeline, which means the Pocket 4's debut is closer than anyone expected. At first glance, the leaked image shows a device that feels instantly familiar, but subtly more refined, like the Pocket 3 evolved through thoughtful, creator-driven tweaks. The body seems slightly taller, and that's not just an aesthetic change. There's real purpose behind it. A bigger battery, improved heat management, and a better hand grip. These are precisely the areas users have been asking DJI to improve for years. That extra bit of length could translate into a far more comfortable shooting experience and longer sessions without worrying about overheating or losing power mid-recording. One of the most intriguing details in the leaked photo is the updated control layout. 2 physical buttons now sit on the front, a small change that actually speaks volumes about DJI's design philosophy. One of these buttons appears to serve as a dedicated zoom or quick access control, designed for one-handed operation while walking or filming. The other seems to be a customizable function key, possibly allowing users to switch modes, recenter the gimbal, or change framing presets instantly. For creators who are constantly on the move, these tactile improvements mean less time fiddling with on-screen menus and more time capturing the moment. It's not about flashy gimmicks, it's about reducing friction. DJI seems determined to make the Pocket 4 feel like an extension of your hand. Intuitive, invisible, and effortless to use. Then there's the camera system, the heart of what makes any Pocket device special. Earlier rumors hinted at a dramatic shift toward a dual-camera setup, but this leak paints a more measured picture. While there may not be 2 full imaging sensors this time, speculation suggests the second element could serve purposes like subject tracking, depth sensing, or stabilization assistance rather than dual imaging. It's also possible that DJI is holding back, perhaps saving the more advanced dual-camera innovation for a future Pocket 4 Pro. This fits perfectly with DJI's strategy of releasing a reliable base model first, and following up with a high-performance variant packed with advanced creative tools. Battery life is shaping up to be one of the most practical upgrades here. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1,545 mAh battery, a notable step up from the Pocket 3's roughly 1,300 mAh cell. That's about an 18 to 20% increase on paper, but in practice it means far more recording time and far less stress over running out of juice during long shoots. For vloggers, travelers, and content creators who shoot continuously, that extra stamina can make the difference between capturing a perfect moment or watching it slip away while your camera charges. This is where the Osmo Pocket 4 really seems to shine, not as a radical reinvention, but as a polished evolution. DJI appears focused on strengthening the fundamentals, rather than chasing flashy new features for marketing's sake. The design updates, control improvements, and endurance boosts all point toward a camera built for everyday creators who depend on reliability. The goal seems clear. Make the Pocket 4 the most seamless, dependable companion for filming life as it happens. Interestingly, the timing of these leaks coincides with an official announcement from DJI that support for the original Osmo Pocket will end on February 5, 2026. That means no more firmware updates, repairs, or official customer service after that date. For many longtime users, that marks the end of an era. The first Osmo Pocket was beloved for its simplicity and readiness. A camera you could pull out of your pocket and start filming with in seconds. It defined the concept of compact creativity. Now, as that chapter closes, all eyes naturally turn to what's next. And the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a worthy successor. Adding fuel to the excitement, a new image recently surfaced showing 2 compact gimbal cameras, believed to be Pocket 4 units, resting casually beside a takeaway coffee cup. The photo wasn't some staged marketing shot. It looked natural, almost candid, as if someone was testing the new camera during a casual break. That kind of authenticity makes the leak even more convincing. The device in the image appears slimmer, sleeker, and more refined than the Pocket 3, with a slightly larger screen that promises better usability, while maintaining the product's signature minimalism. From the look of it, DJI hasn't strayed from the Pocket's winning formula. Compact design, smooth stabilization, and cinematic quality in a device that fits in your palm. But everything about the Pocket 4 feels like it's been carefully adjusted to enhance the user experience rather than reinvent it. The slightly bigger screen could make on-the-go framing easier, the dual-button control scheme should make operation more fluid, and the improved ergonomics hint at longer, more comfortable recording sessions. Under the hood, while details on the exact specs remain unconfirmed, it's expected that DJI will build upon the impressive 1-inch sensor introduced in the Pocket 3. That sensor already delivered excellent dynamic range and low light performance for such a compact device. If DJI manages to refine image processing or enhance color science further, the Pocket 4 could become one of the most capable pocket-sized cameras ever released. What's truly exciting is how this product seems to represent a maturity phase for the Pocket line. DJI has already proven the concept, a tiny, gimbal-stabilized camera that can capture cinematic video anywhere. Now the company appears to be focusing on refinement, reliability, and user comfort. It's a smart move that signals confidence, rather than desperation to innovate for innovation's sake. As creators await the official reveal, the conversation now turns to preference. Do you want a Pocket 4 that perfects the fundamentals, better battery, ergonomics, and usability? Or would you rather hold out for a potential Pocket 4 Pro with groundbreaking imaging hardware? It's a question that perfectly captures DJI's dual appeal. One foot firmly in reliability, and the other always stepping toward the future. Whichever camp you fall into, one thing's certain. DJI is once again reminding the world that big creativity doesn't have to come from big gear. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just another gadget. It's shaping up to be a refined, creator-first camera designed to disappear in your hand and let your vision take center stage. Whether you're capturing travel memories, shooting daily vlogs, or just chasing cinematic moments in your everyday life, the Pocket 4 looks ready to make that process smoother, longer, and more enjoyable than ever. And that's exactly why this leak, this glimpse of a box on a warehouse shelf, feels so monumental. It's not just proof that the Pocket 4 is coming. It's a sign that DJI is once again ready to redefine what a pocket camera can be.